Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, just tell me what is the formula for volume?
Side
A
cube.
cube.
A to the power 3, or you can say area into height, correct? Area into height is nothing but volume. Next one is LSA. What is the formula for LSA?
4 into
4
A
A
square.
And TSA is 6A to the power 3. 6A to the power 2, right?
Yeah.
If you're coming down to cuboid, so LSA is also known as 4 walls also. Area of what? 4 walls. So one wall of the cube is nothing but A square.
square.
4 side is nothing but 4A square. Cuboid. First is volume. Second one is LSA. And third one is TSA. So here also same thing. First one is, what is the first answer for this? Vivek?
Sir, length into breadth into height, sir. LP.
LBH. And LSA is?
Sir, LSA is 2 height L plus B, sir. 2 height of L plus B.
Okay, fine. And TSA is 2 times of everything. LB, BH, and LH.
HL.
Third thing is, which third thing you have read? Cylindrical. Cylinder you have read?
Cylinder, sir.
Cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Cylinder. So cylinder here, first one is, what is
Sir, yeah.
Sir, CSA, TSA volume.
CSA, TSA volume? Volume, LSA, CSA and TSA, right? So what
Yes,
we will, what is the volume for this?
Sir, 2
pi r
pi
square
into
H.
height, sir.
Yeah.
2. Volume is 2 pi r into height.
Sir,
Sir,
isn't
it's
it
2 pi
square
r
H?
square, right?
Pi r square h, not 2 pi r. And
Yes,
then we are
sir.
having CSA as 2 pi rh.
Pi r.
And TSA is just to add 2 pi rh, and your circle will be
R.
external.
Into R.
Plus 2 pi r
R
square.
plus H, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So 2 pi r common, h plus r. Next one is, anything else you have read? Cone you have read, cone.
Cone.
Cone you have read? Nihar, have you read cone?
Yes, sir, cone you read.
What is the volume of cone?
Sir, it's pi r square, 1/3 pi r square h.
1/3 pi r square h. CSA is?
Pi r l.
And TSA, all of you know, that is CSA plus 1 area, right? Pi RL plus pi r square. Anything else you read apart from this cone?
So sphere
Sir,
also.
sphere and hemisphere.
Sphere and hemisphere, okay. So in cone part, you try to understand here. L, you know how to find L if H is given to you.
Yes,
This is
sir.
your height, this is L. The L is equals to what we can write?
L square equals H square. Root of H
Sir, Pythagoras theorem.
square plus R square.
Okay, now sphere. Volume of sphere is
4/3 pi r.
What is CSA?
4 pi r
Sir,
square.
4 pi r.
4 pi r
No.
square. Both are same only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then if you see about hemisphere, two by 3 pi r cube. CSA is what?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r.
And TSA?
3 pi r.
Now we'll start doing the questions. See question number 1. A shopkeeper has one spherical laddu of radius 5 centimeters. With the same amount of material, how many laddus of radius 2.5 centimeter can be made? Who can do this question?
Sir, is it 2, sir? Oh, no.
Achha, 2.5 into 2 is 5. That one. Sai Charan, you mean to say that?
Sir means I am thinking that the material which is required for spherical laddu, which is I don't know.
One hint I'm giving to you, if volume of
eight.
the
Sir,
8,
8.
8 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check how 8 is the answer. Listen here, volume of, if you're not knowing, just see here, volume of 5 centimeter laddu. Okay, 5 centimeter laddu is equals to what? We don't know how many smaller laddu are there. The X, will just let that X are the number of small laddus, that is 2.5 centimeter. Okay.
Sir, that the problem didn't get over the stylus problem.
Stylus problem?
No, that's making line. No, still like that.
It's not going only. I
Sir
don't know.
means first we need to find the volume of the one spherical laddu, and then we need to find the volume of the laddus of radius 2.5 and divide. No, sir.
Yeah, that only, yes. Okay, now we can write here volume of 5 centimeter laddu is equals to X times volume of 2.5 centimeter laddus, right? So 4 by 3 we can write 4 by 3 pi into 5 to the power 3 is equals to X into, we can write 4 by 3.
Sir, it's 2200, sir.
2200. You are multiplying this. Pi and 2.5 to the power 3. This is clear to everyone?
Sir, I did not understand RHS, sir.
This part you are not getting.
The down one, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
This is the volume of small laddus.
Yes, sir. Then what is X, sir? There?
X is the number of small laddus. We don't know. That only you have to find, no?
Okay, sir.
Because the volume of big laddu is what? X into number of small laddus.
Sir,
Next,
but
what
how
we can
the
write here?
volume of that big laddu is 2200.
Now see, pi and pi will get cancelled from both the sides. 4 by 3, 4 by 3 will get cancelled. So X is equals to what we can write? X
5
is equals
by
to
2.5 cubes, sir.
5 into 5 into 5 divided by what? 2.5
2.5.
into 2.5 into 2.5. You'll get the answer as 8, right? Is it clear? 8 laddus. Next question is, anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See question number 2. How many meters of cloth? How many meters of cloth will be required to make a conical tent? The radius of whose base is 3.5 meter and height is 12 meters.
Sir, we should use the TSA.
Huh? What?
We should use TSA, right?
TSA of the conical, but in conical tent, the base will not be there, Anya. If you're writing conical tent here, if you make any, if anyone is making conical tent, the down part will not be there. You can see that, right?
Yes, sir.
So down part is not there, means we have to find CSA only.
Yes, sir.
This down part is land, so we should not need to find this down part. So only CSA will come into picture.
Sir, I did not understand the question, sir. He gave 5 meters, again he gave 3.5.
See how many meters of 5 meters. One cloth is there. Okay, see this cloth. This cloth is 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters wide. We don't know the length of it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this length we don't know. Let it length be X.
Yes, sir.
By the help of this cloth, you have to make this cone. Cone means conical tent, which is having radius as 3.5 and height as 1.2. And height is what? 12 meters, sorry, 12 meters.
Sir, then we need to find TSA, right, sir? Because he told to make a conical tent, sir.
Okay.
Tent means
So,
whole. All.
You
sir.
should remember that in conical tent, whatever the tent will come, this part will not come into picture. We are not making this part because that is a land part. Okay, tent will be always be
Yes,
down
sir.
part will be land only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
So one more thing you remember here, the area of this cloth is equals to what? The curved surface area of this cone. Okay, this both area will remain the same. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So instead of doing this full calculation and all, what you can do is
Sir, TSA minus CSA by 5, sir.
No. See, area of cloth you can write. Area of cloth is equals to area of cloth is equals to CSA of 10. Can we write like this or not? Who is having doubt in this part? This much is clear to everyone? Why I have
Sir,
written area?
base, right, sir? So it's the diameter,
Mm.
not the radius, right?
Which one? 3.5 you are saying?
Yeah.
See, radius of whose is given? No, radius of whose base. So area of the cloth, that you
Sir,
can.
why? Sir, you told we should not count CSA. Right, sir. Then again, we need to find CSA?
See, CSA is nothing but only surroundical part. CSA means only curve surface area, not this base part. Understood, Sai Charan?
Okay, sir.
So CSA is not coming under this. This is not excluded under this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So area of cloth is nothing but length into breadth. So what is length? We don't know. That only we have to find here, right? So length into breadth. Breadth is how much? 5. You got Nihar answer?
Yes, sir. Just one last multiplication I have to do.
Pi RL. Pi R radius is
27.5.
huh?
27.5.
27.5. Okay.
Sir, is that as the answer?
Sir, 12 point, no,
Let me check here. See L. What you got L?
Sir, L is 12.5.
L is 12.5. Yes. Children, if you solve this L, no, you'll get 12.5 only. Okay.
sir,
If
but
you
how?
solve this, you'll get like this 156.25. You're getting like this also, Nihar.
12.25, sir.
What?
3.5 to 3.5.
Yeah, Sai Charan. See, 144 plus 12.25 you add, no.
Yes,
You will
sir.
get 156.25 and root of that is 12.5. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So pi r and L is nothing but 12.5. Now we can solve this, find the value of x and get the answer. Sai Ritvik, what is the answer? Tell me now.
Yes.
So x is equals to what? You remove this one, you remove this and send here. Divide by 5 you can do. Okay.
Yes.
Now 7 5s are 35 means 0.5. Again 0.5 will cancel with here 10, right?
10.
If you remove this point, again one more 0 will come. So 125 into 22.
500.
So what will come? 25 5s are 110, 11, 44 and 11. 55.
27.5.
Huh?
27.5.
27.5. This is your length of the cloth. So length of the cloth is almost 27.5 is the length of the cloth. Okay. Next question is. Do this question now.
So could you show the question once?
Uh-huh. You're getting the question. What is the question asking? Curved surface of cylindrical reservoir. You are having cylindrical reservoir over here. (12 meter deep). Means height is 12 meters.
12. We need to find R.
Is plastered from inside with concrete mixture at the rate of. Rate is given. Rate is 12 rupees 15 per meter square. 15 per meter square. 12 meter deep is plastered from inside with concrete mixture of at the rate of 15 per meter square. If the total payment made is of. Total payment is how much? 5652, right? This is the total payment. So find the capacity of the reservoir. You have to find the capacity of it. Capacity means volume of this reservoir in liters. Okay. So one more formula, just remember that 1 meter cube is equals to how many liters?
1,000.
1000 liters.
Sir, if we do 5652 by 15, sir, then we can get CSS, sir.
Okay, how?
Cross multiplication.
If 1 centimeter is equal to, if you want in liters, then what will come? 1 centimeter cube to
5000, sir.
1 by 1000 liters. CSA of cylindrical reservoir 12 meter deep is plastered from inside with concrete mixture at the rate of this much per meter square. This is area, means 1 meter square area cost is how much? See, 1 meter area is 1 meter square cost is how much? 15 rupees, right? So if you are using 5652, so
Yes,
what
sir.
area will come here?
Multiplication. If 5652 by 15.
Yes. So how what will come here? 5652 x is equal to what you can write here? 5652 divided by what? 15. So 15 3s are 45. Then what is the pending? 11, right? 11 means here 15 9s are 135. So cancel by 3 only. 5 only first. 5 3s are 15. 1 1 3. It won't go only by 5 table, right?
Sir, I copied the wrong value.
Wrong value copied.
Sir, and I've been for 15 minutes I've solving that thing, sir.
Acha. 12 meter deep, 50 meter square. So here plastered from inside means CSA. Cost of CSA is nothing but what you're finding? Cost of, you write here cost. Means CSA into what you should do? Means pi RH.
Yes.
2 pi RH. Into what? Into 15. Right? And this you can write as how much?
Sir, how, sir?
5652 is equals to 2 pi RH means 2 pi R is how much? You have to find, right?
Sir, I have doubts of cost. Okay, sir.
What is your doubt?
Sir, no, sir, nothing, sir. I did not solve the cost.
So we can find R from here, right? After finding R, we can find the volume. So R is equals to 5652 multiply by 7 whole divided by 2 into 22 into 12 into 15. So what you'll get? Just check. This will go by 10 and 6 to 12. 12 and 10. Difference is 2. It won't go. First you cancel by 2 only. 2, 8, 2, 6. This will go by again which table? 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Then it will go by 3 table again. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 4s are. Again 2 table 11. 1 5 and 7. They don't go anything, no. 157 by you can remember like this only. So if you find the volume here, find the volume 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? 4 by no volume is what? Pi r square h, right? So pi r square is coming so big, right?
Some weird value, sir.
Yeah, weird values coming.
Very weird.
Let me check the answer for this. The radius is coming 5 meters. Radius is coming 5 meters on solving this.
Sir, how so?
Let me check 157 into 7. Hmm. 157 into 7. 157 into 7.
Sir, in calculator, it's coming like 78 lakhs.
No, radius part I am solving here. Say 20. 157 into 7.
Sir, I think we did wrong, sir, somewhere.
Somewhere wrong. Divide by 20. Yeah, approximate they have find actually on solving this radius. We are getting 4.995. Okay. So this is approximated to 5. We have not done anywhere wrong. Approximately they have given. Okay. On dividing this, we are getting 4.995. So this is approximately 5. So you should take here 5 and just solve like that. Okay. So on solving this for pi r square h means r into height. Height is 12. Again, you have to do, there is no calculation over here, right? 942.857. 942.85. It's coming in like that only. Okay. This is a meter cube. Volume is some weird answer.
Sir, I'm coming in 1 minute.
Okay, fine. Sai Ritvik, full silent. Switch off your cameras and all. Sai Ritvik.
Sir, but when I did in calculator, it's coming big answer.
This answer is not coming, Sai Charan. This 4.995.
Yes, sir. That one, sir. It's coming like 78 lakhs. 30.
Just do here, Sai Charan, don't do this much only. 157 is here. No, 157 into 7 you do, okay?
Yes, sir.
And divide by 220 you do, okay? Divide by 220. See, these three things are there.
Okay.
How much you are getting as check?
Taking, sir.
Sai Ritvik, can you hear me? Sai Ritvik, Vivek,
Yes, sir.
on your camera, what?
Sir,
Your
1 minute, sir. Only 1 minute.
8.1818.
what 8 point?
So 1998.181 bar.
What I'm saying you 157 into 7. What you are getting? That you tell me. How much you are getting?
So 157 into 7 divided by 11 into 4
No,
into
I'm saying
5.
only you find 157 into 7. What you are getting? 1099. You're getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So separately you do 1099 divided by 220. You do this much. What answer you are getting? Just check.
Divided by 220, sir.
Because 5 fours are 20. 20 11 is 220. What will
Yes,
you
sir.
get?
Coming, sir. 299. 4.995.
That's only is here mentioned. Okay.
Yeah.
Some lakhs and or you are saying lakhs is coming.
Sir, when I did all those.
Okay, I'll ask next question then. Next question you do now. Question number 4. CSA of cylinder is 154 centimeter square. The first, what is data is given that you write the data first. CSA of cylinder is how much? 154 centimeter square. Total surface area of the cylinder is 3 times its curved surface area. So what we can write here? TSA.
154 into 3 equals to TS.
TSA is equals to what we can write? Total surface area of cylinder is 3 times.
So 154
3
into 3.
into 154, sir.
3 into 154. Then you have to find the volume of the cylinder. How to find the volume of the cylinder? Volume is pi r square h. So from this, what we can get? From CSA, what we'll get here? You can get R. 2 pi r h.
Sir, but how's that?
How? Anyone can find this? Just check. 2 pi RH is equals to is given. That is your
Sir, 539.
539 volume we are getting.
Yes, sir.
So getting,
539.
so can you give 5 minutes?
Sir, could you check if it's correct?
Wait, I'll check. Yeah, it's correct. So 2 pi RH is equals to what? 154.
So 2 pi r h into 3 equals to 2 pi r into r plus h.
And both we can solve. 2 pi RH plus what is there? Pi r square.
Yes, yes, sir.
2 pi r square, right? Is equals to 3 into 154 is given, right? So this value is already given, right? 154. You can write here directly 154 plus 2 pi r square, or you can write here 2 into 22 by 7, right? 2 pi r square we don't know, is equals to 3 into 154. So if you see here, only r is only pending this side, left this one in this part, right? R you can find from here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is equals to what?
2 into 154.
2 into 154.
Yes, sir.
2 into 154. Again, r square, what we can write? 2 into 154
Into 7 by 22.
into 7 by 2 into 22, right? Huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this 2 will get cancelled. 22, 7. R becomes what? R becomes 7, right?
Yes, sir.
If R becomes 7, can you put here R is equal to 7 and find H over here? The H is equals to what we can write? 154 multiplied
Into
by
2.
7
Into 2.
into 2 will come. How?
So there's a 2 there. Oh, that's a division.
2
Into-
into 22 into what? 7.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
This will get cancelled. So 22, 7 by 2 will come, right? Now
Yes,
put
sir.
the value
So
here.
should we take in the decimal form?
Yeah, directly you can put the value here. No problem. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 by 2. So 7, 7 will get cancelled. This is 11. So 49 into 11, that is 539. 539 centimeters cube. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now the very important question, you just do this. Diameter of the moon is approximately. This question is
So these are NCRT questions.
none of this is NCERT question. All are extra questions of surface area and volumes for class 9th. It may be NCERT also, who knows? Just maybe NCERT also, right?
Yes, I think the NCRT, these are kind of clear. I'm not sure though, but then like it's like as if I've done these questions somewhere or something. I don't know, sir.
हाँ तो आर एस अग्रवाल आरडी हम सब देख के रखते हो ना, तो
No,
सब
sir.
वैसे
No, sir, nothing like that. So NCRT only, I guess.
this is NCERT, I think. This is NCERT, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is NCRT. I'm remembering, sir, somewhere.
Ah, correct. Okay, without NCERT, shall I put? Apart from NCERT, you can do this question. Other question is, this you take it for homework. This is what I've written, fifth one. Next question you can do, right?
So 64:1.
This one.
So the previous one.
Okay. This one, I thought this one you found so early.
So he's covering the CSA and the base.
Cuboidal water tank in the house, top of water is covered. Top of the water tank is covered with an iron lid. He wants to cover the inner surface area of the tank, including the base with tiles. Yes.
So what's that? And the cost of the tile is F480 per dozen.
Wait me check. Cost of tile is rupees. That is rupees.
Okay, sir.
Are you understanding these questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satvik Notakki. Oh, Satvik. What he's doing, Satvik?
Sir, 72.
72. Number of tiles.
Yes, sir. Sir, could you check once?
Let me check. Number of tiles is 720.
Okay.
Total
Yes, sir.
amount is 28800.
Sir,
Huh?
720 only. Sir, 720 only. I missed 10.
And total amount of required is 720 tiles. Rate is
No, sir, they
480.
are asking only for the tiles. No, they're not. Okay, they are asking the total amount. Okay, sir. Okay. So 720 by 112 into 480.
720 by
12 into 480.
okay.
Sir, 28800.
28800.
Yes, sir.
Can you find the total surface area of the children here? All of you can find. See, a surface area of the cuboidal water tank. Surface area. You can find total surface area minus LH also you can do LB, right? So 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. And top part you can remove minus LB. You can remove like this. This will come the surface area of the cuboidal water tank, right?
Sir, are we removing the lid?
Yeah, because lid is not required now.
Okay, sir.
So minus L into B. He wants to cover the inner surface area of tank including the base. Tile size 10 centimeter by, this is a tile size by 8 centimeter. Find the dimension of water tank. Now we can find here, this becomes what? So number of tiles you write here x. X into number of tiles is nothing but 10 into what? 10 into 8, correct? So this much number of tiles is nothing but your surface area of this water tank. Is it clear to everyone what I've written here? X into 10 into 8. Why? Because we don't know how many tiles we are using. The X tiles multiplied by 10 into 8, each tile is equals to what? 2 into LB. That is 180 into 120. 180 into 120 plus 120 into 60
Plus 180 into 60.
plus 180 into 60 minus L into B, that is 180 into 120, right?
Yes, sir.
If you solve, what you will get? 2 into 18 2s are 36, 3, 18 and 3, 21, 21600, okay? Plus 12 6 are 72, 7200 plus 18 6 are 108 00 close minus 21600, right? Is it clear? What is coming here, Nihar, on adding this?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I didn't do it that way.
Which method you applied here? Acha, plus and all you have done.
Yes, sir. I've taken this lateral surface area because in that calculation will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
less, and then I've added length into breadth.
Okay, fine.
So
fine.
1 minute, sir. I'll do it.
8 to 10, 10, 6, 16. 6. 1 will come then. So 1 and 7, 8. 8, 1, 9. It does, it will not come like this. Something wrong here. That will become easier actually if you do by 2 in L plus B into H.
Sir, what?
If you do by that way method, it will become easier. I'm saying 2 into L plus B into H, right? And again plus LB,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Here 21 and 10, 31, 31 and 7, 38, 38 and 1, 39, 39, 600 will come here, 39, 600. 80,000 minus 800. 79,200 minus 21600.
Sir, is it 5760?
5
760.
like this.
Yes.
This is X and divide by, you can do a divide by 10 into 8. Now you can try what is the answer coming. 10, 10 get cancelled. So
720.
720 is coming now.
720.
Yeah. Now
Sir,
total amount.
Now we have to do 720 by 12 into 480.
Yeah, those who doesn't know, they can use unitary method here. Okay, if you want, you can use unitary method, is easier. So this is 12 means quantity is how much rupees? 480, right? So 720 cost you can find easily. 720 is X. So cross multiply you can do. X is equals to 480 into 720 divided by 12. Okay, that's it. So 12 4s are Now you can multiply and get the answer 288800. Is it clear to everyone?
Okay, sir, understood.
So like this, if you want to do the solves, just bring with the doubts, children, all of you, just solve some questions. At every day you solve 10 questions, 20 questions at least. Then only have the doubt, right? So these questions are bit, if you know this type of question, you can do class 10th also, you will not get stuck. Nice questions, these all. Same type, similar type questions you will get. Extra things is added up is, in class 10th, few things is getting added up. That is frustum. Frustum is like bucket. If you cut the cone into 2 parts, that becomes
Yeah, so you
frustum.
told us it's one will be like a trapezium, one will be the cone.
Acha. Okay, all of you can leave for the day. Just practice and ask the
Thank you,
doubts.
sir.